Hey guys, it's Maddie and I'm back again today with another video. This one is going to be all about my hair and how I do it and what I use, the products I use, the products I love. And a lot of you have asked me, is my hair naturally straight? How do I keep my hair straight? How do I keep it tamed? On and on and on. So this is exactly what this video is for. So this is kind of like my new and updated hair care routine. And yeah, if you guys are interested in watching, then keep on watching. Okay, so first of all, if you guys have watched my videos, you know how my hair gets really frizzy after I get out of the shower. It's basically straight, like it is pretty straight, but it gets super frizzy whenever it's wet and it's kind of hard to tame. So if I want to straighten or curl it, I always have to put stuff in it. And I've heard a lot of recommendations. I've heard a lot of recommendations about this certain company, brand, whatever, and I finally have decided to just like go ahead and try it out. And I've been using it for like the past month, and guys, I'm telling you, like, I don't know if you can tell, my hair looks pretty like shiny and healthy, and I'm really loving it. I'll zoom you out for a second to see if it focuses. But my hair is really long, and so I want to be able to take care of it so I can keep it long and healthy the way it is. So let's see if it'll focus. Okay. So first off, I'm going to start off by telling you the shampoo that I use. So this shampoo right here. Zoom it in. See if it focuses. It's not going to focus. It's the XXOO Miracle Volumizing Shampoo. It says nutrition for your hair and it's sulfate free. I don't know what sulfate free really means, but it must be good for you. It says volumizing, nourishes hair, non-drying formula, improves elasticity, deep cleansing, adds bounce, shine, texture, and color protectant. So basically, this is what's been making my hair so shiny and healthy looking. It's like putting all the nutrients it needs in it, and literally, okay, so whenever I read the bottle, whenever I first started using it, it was like, apply a quarter size amount into your hair. And I'm like, please tell me who can put a quarter size amount in their palm and wash all of their hair. Not me. Do you see all of this hair? Yeah. Anyways, truth is, I don't even have to use that much of it to get a good clean in my hair. Like usually whenever I use like Pantene, which I do love Pantene, but I put a ton in my hand to get it all throughout my hair. And this, you literally don't have to use much. The bottle isn't that big, but I can guarantee you it's gonna last me a while because I've been using it for a month and it's still pretty dang full. So that's the shampoo that I use. And also I'm gonna link all this down below so you can find it and try it out too. Okay, next. My hair, I don't know why, gets super dry no matter how much I try to do to it. And like, yes, I do straighten it a lot, and yes, I do curl it a lot, and that may have something to do with it, but I'm always constantly trying to try out new hair masks, whether it be homemade or just be from the store or like leave-in conditioner, whatever. And I've seen I was seeing really good reviews on this one specifically. It had like 5 stars, and all these people were commenting about it, and I was like, it obviously must be really good, so I'll give it a shot. And you literally, after you use this, and I'm not kidding you, your hair will smell amazing. And you can just like go like this, and it'll just like fall like right out of your fingertips. Your hair will be so soft. I just really put it at the ends of my hair because I don't like to put anything in my, like, on my scalp, because I feel like any type of conditioner or leave-in or too much product on my scalp tends to make my hair greasier quicker. So I just put it like here down and let it soak. This is a Miracle Silk hair mask. It's from XXOO also. And my mom used to cut hair, so she knows this brand. And then I also know somebody else, a couple other people that do hair, and they said that this brand is like super high quality. It works amazingly, and so I'm like, might as well give it a shot. Might as well. So I did. This one says deep conditioning, strengthens and protects, creates ultra silky hair, enhances natural body, instantly detangles, which is another issue that I have, seals in moisture, shine, reduces frizz, that's like my number one thing that I need to get rid of is frizz, and this has helped me do it. So it says basically what you do is whenever you're in the shower, you shampoo your hair, and instead of just putting your normal conditioner into your hair afterwards, you let this sit into your hair for 1 to 3 minutes. So I usually do this while I'll shampoo, put this in here down, and I'll like either wash the rest of my body or I'll shave my legs or whatever. Let it sit in there, and then the last thing that I do is rinse out this Miracle Silk hair mask, and it is amazing. It's not kidding when it says Miracle Girlfriend, because it does miracles, no joke. Okay, moving on. Okay, so whenever I do my hair, like whenever I use this, that's all I'm going to use for the product in my hair for the day. I'm not going to dry my hair and then put in another product, because I just feel like if you're going to use product, you need to like stick. Just for my hair specifically, I just like to stick to one product instead of like adding multiple at the same time, basically. Okay, so on the days I just use my shampoo and just a regular conditioner, and will spray this Miracle Silk leave-in. So this is like, you know, I switch off whenever I take showers. So like some nights I'll put conditioner in and then I'll skip a night from conditioner and just do shampoo. On those nights I put this in after my shower. And this is like a little potion bottle. Miracle potion bottle, no joke. Okay, so this is Silk Express, and it's amazingly easy to use is what it says, which is true. So it's just a sprayer, and I would spray my hair right now, but my hair is dry and I don't really feel like doing that. Apply on wet hair after shampooing with sulfate-free silk shampoo. Okay. And silk conditioner. Distribute evenly throughout hair with a wide tooth comb. Do not rinse out. Style as desired. So this is what I do. I like to take my showers at night before I go to bed, because I sleep best whenever I have just taken a shower. I don't know why. It's just what I am. Is anybody else like that? I don't know. Anyways, so I take my shower, and this is one of the times that I don't use conditioner. I get out, I dry my hair with a towel, just towel dry it, and then I brush my hair out, okay? And then I spray this, same thing, here down. I just spray all the tips and ends and kind of like massage it through all the way to my ends. And then I just kind of like pull my hair back like this. I twist it up so that all of that product gets in there. I twist it up, and then I literally just like sleep on it like this. So I just like twist it up into a little bun, and then I like sleep on it like that, so that all of this product is really soaking into the ends of my hairs. And it smells so good. Like it smells like candy. And whenever you wake up, I don't know what, but it gives me really cute little, like whenever I do my hair like that, and then I wake up in the morning, it like gives a cute little wave to it, so I don't really have to fix it. And it smells really good, and it's super duper soft, and I'm just like, I don't even have to touch my hair. I'm just gonna get up, put my makeup on, go to class, go to work, I'm good to go. Okay, so far, those are 3. I got 2 more for you, okay? And these are gonna change your life, girlfriend. Like, I'm trying to help you out, and I would not be here telling you how I got this hair if you didn't want to know. So, yeah, anyways. Okay, so let's see. Which one do I want to do first? Okay, I'll do this one first. Okay, so on the days that I take a shower and it's before I have an event or somewhere that I have to go to that I have to look really good for. Just kidding. But I don't blow dry my hair very often. I always like to air dry it because I have a lot of hair and it just like takes forever to blow dry, and I get really hot and sweaty and I'm just like, like it's not fun. But I found this and I was like, maybe this will make my blow drying experience a little more enjoyable. So this is the Miracle. All of these are miracles, and I love this. It's so cute, and the packaging is adorable, and everything smells delicious. So this is the It's a Tin Miracle Blow Dry Voluminizer. Do you see this thin hair? Do you see it? Yeah, I know you see it. And it never has volume up here. Like, you have those girls that like automatically like have like their hair's like this because it's just like amazing and it has body and it's not thin and flat and straight. But it's okay because this gives you volume. So what I do, I'm gonna tell you what it is. Explosive volume, first of all, is what it says. explosive volume, adds shine, humidity resistant. Thank goodness, because I live in Arkansas, and y'all, the humidity is insane, okay? Build up free, which is always a plus. Holds hairstyle, UV protectant, no flaking, touchable thickness. Not sticky, not stiff, and never crunchy, okay? It says spray generously onto clean, damp hair before blow drying. That's literally all you have to do. Has this little sprayer thing, so it's like hairspray, is what it looks like. Just spray it in, blow dry your hair, and I'm not kidding you, you will have the body that you've always wanted in your hair. And it's movable, and it's just like, all day, you're just like a freaking supermodel, and you're like, yeah, I know, girlfriend. Anyways, I love this. So this is something I've been loving as well. Last, this is probably the one, other than the shampoo, because I use that like every day, if not every other day. So this is the one that I use all the time. I keep it in my purse, I keep it in my backpack, because I know all of us girls go through this. You have those days where your hair starts to get greasy, or you're like skipped a night of washing your hair, and you're going to class, or you're going to work, or you're going wherever, and your hair's greasy. And you're like, so every girl's best friend, we all know it, dry shampoo. This is not only dry shampoo though, it's dry shampoo and conditioner in one. Are you kidding me? So not only does it take away your greasiness, it conditions your hair too, so it's not like nasty. And I love it so much. It smells so good. It's so lightweight. It's not powdery at all. It says refreshes hair fragrance, which, thank you, praise Jesus. Absorbs excess oil, creates slip. I don't know what that means. Adds shine and body, conditions hair shaft. Keratin enriched, lightweight formula, improves hair texture, no water needed, and use without heat. I wouldn't put this in my hair if I was gonna apply heat to it, but anyways, I keep this with me all the time, always bring it in my hair. I'm not saying that my hair is always dirty, even whenever my hair is clean sometimes, and I just like want to add like a little bit of like texture and softness at the same time, I'll spray this in my hair. It's amazing. Guys, I'm gonna link all of this down below. You guys need to try this out. I mean, at least try this out, because your life will be changed. And I'm leaving the link, the website, everything down below. That's how I get long, straight, sleek hair. Everyone's been asking me. There you have it. I mean, my hair routine changes like every half year, and all this stuff is gonna last me at least that long. So, yeah, that's what I've been doing lately. If you like this video, then make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions or video requests, I'm sorry that I have not been posting that much lately. I have literally been working like no other. School just started a week ago. And yeah, my plate's full, but this is one of my goals for this year. I really want to get on my YouTube channel more because I love it. And I just need to make that time for you guys, because you guys make me feel happy and you guys watch me, and I'm like, people watch me? What? Anyways, so yes, I'll see you in the next video. And yeah, bye guys. Hey guys, it's Maddi. Hey guys, it's Maddi, and I'm back today with another video, obviously, hence the reason you clicked on it. So no lies.